Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. I am back with a video tutorial today. In this video, I will be teaching you on how to clear cache and junk files on your laptop or computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Ang matutulungan nito yung laptop nyo na maging mabilis or maging malinis para magamit natin siya at mag-improve yung performance niya. So we'll first go to your keyboard, pindutin natin yung Windows key and then letter R. And i-type natin prefetch, hit OK. Mapupunta tayo sa isang folder. You will see hundreds of files. So these are junk na pwede naman nating i-delete totally. Control A on keyboard, delete button. We can skip this. We can skip this since there are some files that are needed by your laptop programs. Then close the folder. The second step, window plus R. Redirect tayo sa run window. Then type in %temp %. These are temporary files that are safe to delete or to remove. So, hindi importante itong mga files na to, so we can directly remove this on your laptop. Click natin yung continue. And then close natin yung folder. And the last step that we can do, window key again and then R, enter a temp, click OK. Walang masyadong files or junk files here, but we can also clean this temp. And ang pinaka-last is make sure na yung recycle bin ay empty rin. So we just click empty or delete everything. And that's it. These are the ways that we can do to clear cache or linisin yung mga junks and remove files sa ating laptop para maging mabilis ito at maging malinis. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.